Hey there, my crafty friends. I'm Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US and excited to share a sneak peek of the January 2026 Cultivated Creativity Kit with you. If you've ever struggled with masculine-friendly cards or cards that feel grounded, artistic, and timeless, this kit is absolutely for you. January's kit is all about nature-inspired designs, rich textures, and effortless layering. The projects feel refined, but still very approachable. Nothing fussy, nothing overly complicated, just really good designs that come together beautifully. Now, this month we're featuring the Nature's Symphony bundle that releases on January 6th. This has quickly become one of my favorites for year-round crafting. Now, let me show you a sneak peek of these projects. I'm only going to show you the fronts. The inside details, which we do, are always exclusive to our Cultivated Creativity members. So you're going to see cards that work beautifully for guys, but don't have to be masculine. We're going to have a mix of clean elegance, modern layered looks, and organic texture. We're going to do some fun techniques this month, some subtle paper tearing, creative die cut layering, a little negative space play, and one easy fun fold that looks impressive, but very doable. These are the kinds of cards you're actually going to use for birthdays, thank yous, encouragement, sympathy, and everyday sending. Want to see? Lovely, right? Inside your January kit, you're going to receive all four occasion cards, all of the all occasion cards, one coordinating giftable project, plus a little surprise tucked inside, as always. Everything's pre-cut and ready to assemble, so you can sit down, relax, and create without the stress of all the work, right? People love this program. Cultivated Creativity is designed for card makers who want to inspire without overwhelm, projects that teach you why they work, and Happy Mail that actually gets used. I hear all the time that opening these kits feels like a little creative reset, and that's exactly what I want this program to be for you. Registration for the January Cultivated Creativity Kit is now open, but spots are limited and registration will close on January 20th or sooner if the kit sells out. These kits will ship out no later than February 1st. If you love the look of these projects, yes. Enjoy texture and layering and want cards that finally solve the what do I make for him problem. I would love to have you join us. You can find all the details on my website at creativelyyours.com or expand the video description below. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I can't wait for you to get your hands on this kit. It's one of those collections that just keeps giving as you keep creating. Until next time, my friends, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep spreading the joy. Bye for now.